I don't know how we get out of here. Zero idea. Ah, hell no, ain't that way, that's for sure.
A few moments later.
Bro, you okay? That's it, bro.
Wanna ride it back?
I don't mind, bro. Alright. Oh yeah. Hey. Hey.
Go for the gears, like go for the top.
Yeah? I'll follow you. Yeah. This thing got so much. What the hell? The front of this is like. Oh my days! What the hell, dude? Please, I'm not even going fast right. This thing just got torqued all over the place. What the heck? Yo, how's this legal? Nah, wait. When I get on it, oh my gosh, the supercharger. Oh, the overruns. Oh, the downshifts. You guys, this is gonna sound like a very sexual video. Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh jeez. Oh my gosh, this thing is. Oh shit. What the? No. That throttle is insane. What the frick? I've never played anything like that in my life. No way. Listen, that almost, listen, I'm glad it's got these things behind my palm because that almost threw me up. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is insane. What the hell? Oh my gosh. This is mad. What the frick? The supercharger! No way! This is next level, this is dumb quick, wow. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I don't even want to open this up. I don't want to open it up, like, this thing, especially it's not my bike, right, I want to respect it. And take my time, but jeez, this thing is insane! What the frick? Nah. Bro!
You're on the M11, yeah?
Yeah.
Keep going to the, you know where the A4 and 6 in it? Where
I think so, yeah, we're going straight.
Just blast it.
Yeah.
Seriously, take it up it.
Bro, that is mad.
Quick shift, use the quick shift.
Bro, the quick shift is insane. Nah, bro. Oh my good God! the noise! That is sex in my ears! Oh my gosh! What the frick? Oh, the way it echoes off the clouds! What the hell? Oh my gosh! Oh, I can't believe this! I can't believe this! Oh my gosh! Oh my good grief! Oh my gosh! Oh, the noise! Oh, what the hell, the pop! Oh my god! I love this freaking bike! Oh shoot! Oh mate, the language I want to use. Oh, F my life. Oh, the noises it makes. Man, my bike looks so good in my mirror though. Oh! Oh my gosh, this bike is insane. Oh my gosh, guys, the H2 is actually a whole different level. Listen, the Ducati handles, right? That thing handles and it's very fast. But this bike has power all over. I mean all over, everywhere. It is stupid how much power this thing has. The torque, the way it kicks up the throttle. Oh my gosh. No way. That is stupid. That is only... Nah, I'm sorry, this is stupid. Bro, this bike, you guys, this bike is stupid. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! no, like it's not, this is not normal. You guys probably can't even hear me. Oh my god, this is stupid. I don't know what the hell the lab people were thinking when they made this. They were smoking, drinking acid. Freaking hell! This is... Oh my gosh, this bike is mad. is mad! What the hell, bro? No! What the heck? Nah. Oh sh. Oh sh. I would never try to jump on first gear on this bike, like hit the throttle. Nope. Freaking that second tried to throw me off. Could you imagine third? Nah, not even gonna do it. This is insane. Oh my gosh. Why did you just try to throw me into next year? This bike is sick. This is too much. This is too much. Way too much. This is too much, so I swear. This bike is next level, bro. Oh, that quick shifter is off. Wow. 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 What? Wow.